Azygous system of vein versus husband. Introduction. Azygous vein drain thoracic wall and upper lumbar region. Husband drain wife's brain. Azygous vein lies right side in the thoracic cavity in green color. Husband is always right. Formation. Azygous vein is formed by the union of subcostal and ascending lumbar vein. S plus ascending lumbar AL. SAL. Here we can see that this one is azygous vein and it is formed by subcostal vein and the ascending lumbar vein. Right side, right ascending lumbar and right subcostal. Husband is at his wife's service for years, salo sal. Course. Azygous vein enters into thoracic cavity via the aortic hiatus, here in green color, along with the aorta and thoracic duct. Azygous vein A, thoracic duct T and aorta A. Atta. Husband brings atta for home. Azygous vein inside thoracic cavity lies in the posterior mediastinum, PM. Husband inside home in PM. We are discussing about the course. Azygous vein opens into superior vena cava. This is arch of azygous vein. Yeah, opens into superior vena cava. So azygous vein opens into superior vena cava after forming an arch at T4 level. T4 or 4T. 40. Husband from arch of supremacy up to 40. Relation. Anterior to azygous vein lies oesophagus. Prime responsibility. In front, the foremost responsibility for husband is to feed family. As oesophagus is the part of digestive system, somehow it relates to feed the family. Posterior relation. Azygous vein, posteriorly there is vertebral column. So husband rests on hard bed like bone. Azygous vein on the right side, there is lung, pleura and greatosplanchnic nerve, LPG. Husband, right hand responsibility, main responsibility to bring LPG cylinder to feed the family. Okay. In the left side, azygous vein, left side in relation with the descending aorta D, oesophagus O and thoracic duct T. Dot. Husband left alone duty. He sacrifices duty for his family. So got dot. Absentee in his workplace. Tributaries. Pari, says Pari, his wife. Pari brought shampoo. Here P is for, Pari is for pericardial, brought for bronchial, shampoo, SHAMPOO, shampoo as for superior intercostal. Second, third, fourth, posterior intercostal vein opens into superior intercostal and then it finally opens into azygous vein. How we can relate it to husband? Only for 2, 3, 4 years. Husband is treated as Sanya, as I, superior intercostal. Hemiazygous, shampoo as H, hemiazygous. As for hemiazygous and as for housewife. Hemiazygous receive hemiazygous receive 9 to 11 posterior intercostal vein. Here you can see this is hemiazygous, receive 9 to 11 in the left side, 9 to 11. So how we can relate it to the husband? From 9 to 11 p.m. husband has to come under custody of housewife. A for accessory hemiazygous, आधी हाउसवाइफ, आधी घरवाली. Accessory hemiazygous receive 5 to 8 posterior intercostal vein. This is accessory hemiazygous. It receive 5 to 8 posterior intercostal vein. Husband can freak out with Adhi housewife from 5 to 8 p.m. But from 9 onward, he has to come under custody of housewife. Come to mediastinal. Husband even work as maid when needed. They are really true friend. P. Posterior intercostal. PI. Azygous vein drains posterior intercostal vein in the right side directly and the left side indirectly. Right posterior intercostal vein 5 to 11 directly drain into azygous vein. Husband, also known as Pia or P, has to be at your service, Highness, from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. So 5 to 11. Shampoo. O for oesophageal. Oesophageal vein drain into azygous vein. Husband has responsibility to feed the family. So here we can see in red color this is azygous, and what are the tributaries? Peri broad shampoo, pericardial, here it is not shown, bronchial not shown, shampoo SH as superior intercostal. Here is this one is right, second, third and fourth posterior intercostal vein drain into the superior intercostal. This one is superior intercostal, and then it drain into azygous vein. As for hemiazygous, this one, the lower one, housewife, from 9 to 11 is to be under custody of housewife. So it received 9 to 11 in the left side posterior intercostal vein. A for accessory hemiazygous, Adhi Gharwali, 5 to 8 he can freak out with Adhi Gharwali. So 5 to 8 left side posterior intercostal vein drain into the accessory hemiazygous and then finally drain into azygous. M mediastinal not shown. P posterior intercostal, there directly from 5 to 11. From 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. husband has to be at the service of his wife. O oesophageal. Okay, and what about the first? The first intercostal vein drain into the brachiocephalic trunk, both sides, the right and the left. And what is written in this page? The hemiazygous and accessory hemiazygous opens into the azygous vein after crossing left to right at T8 level. This is very important. At T8 level it crosses. How we can relate it to husband? Husband, his housewife, that is hemiazygous, and Adhi housewife, accessory hemiazygous. 8 husband's brain अपने husband brain 8, that is T8 level. Clinical significance. In case of superior vena cava obstruction or inferior vena cava obstruction, azygous veins serve as alternate pathway to drain deoxygenated blood into the heart. because it's a communication between the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. Thank you.